Look at the family tree of Farzana and Jamil. Let's practice. Answer the questions about family tree. Who is Jahanara Begum? Who is her husband? Who is Jamil and Farzana's father? Who is their mother? Who is Aziz Ahmed's father? Who is his mother?
Language focus. Subject pronouns and the verb be in the present simple. I am, I'm not. You are, you're not. He, she, it is. He's, she's, it's. He's not, she's not, it's not. We are, we're not. They are, they're not.